Welcome to the Top Talent and Immigration Show with your host, Kaushik Ranchod. In this show, we discuss how companies and top talent in America overcome immigration obstacles and help create freedom and prosperity in America.
Kaushik Ranchod here. I'm the founder of Top Talent and Immigration, where I talk with leading researchers, business leaders, and attorneys on how they overcome big challenges in the immigration process and business. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a J1 Waiver success story where the applicant had U.S. government funding, because you might be wondering, if you have U.S. government funding, can you still get a J1 waiver? This episode is brought to you by Ranchod Law Group. Ranchod Law Group's mission is to provide freedom and prosperity for immigrants and help more businesses to connect to top talent. Ranchod Law Group believes that immigrants add tremendous value to the U.S. economy and helps companies facing a shortage of talent to make up that gap and grow, thanks to the immigrant talent that contribute to their bottom line. They also help immigrants to navigate the complicated immigration process today. Ranchod Law Group has been in business for nearly 20 years in Northern California and serves clients nationwide as a trusted advisor for employers and helping employers to attract talented immigrant employees. Contact Ranchod Law Group today for details on how the firm can help you to solve your immigration challenges. Visit us at ranchodlaw.com or 916-613-3553. All right. Well, welcome to the Top Talent and Immigration Show. Today we're going to be talking about J1 waivers, because many of you who are doing the national interest waiver are on a J1 and you need a J1 waiver. Now, we get a lot of questions. Kaushik, what do I do? I got U.S. government funding. Oh, I know the pain. Because U.S. government funding, that definitely adds a bar to getting your J1 waiver. And it makes it, it adds another hurdle. So is evaluated that U.S. government funding against the hardships that you may have. So you need to demonstrate even more hardship than you would normally. So I'm going to share a success story of a case that we did get approved. You know, every case is unique, so you need to contact us or another attorney to see whether or not you qualify. And I want to go ahead and share the success story for you. All right, so in this case, our applicant had 2 U.S. citizen children from a relationship that he had in the U.S., and then he married to a U.S. citizen, and he was also the stepfather of his wife's children. And what happened and how we demonstrated exceptional hardship is that we explained how if the waiver was denied, the applicant would not be able to see his children from his prior relationship. There would be that exceptional hardship, that separation. And this goes into family law. A lot of times, the other parent will not let their children leave the United States. Now, we also argued that if the waiver was denied, the wife and children would all lose their health coverage, which was provided by the applicant's employment. A form of, that could be a form of health hardship or financial hardship there. And then we also argued that the applicant's wife is a student who is unemployed and was also completely financially dependent on the applicant, and he wouldn't be able to fulfill that role if abroad. So a lot of times there's the situation where the applicant is the breadwinner, such as in this situation, and if the applicant left, that leaves the U.S. citizen in a lot of hot water because they're not going to have income coming in. And I'm sure many of you can relate to that situation. And then also, the applicant was making child support payments. So if he had to leave, then there would be child support payments that would not be made. So that's another issue that when all of these taken together, the government demonstrated exceptional hardship, and we were able to also get approval from the Department of State, of course, despite the fact that they have government funding. So if you do have government funding, it is still possible to get a waiver, but it really depends upon your case. I invite you to contact us at 916-613-3553, or you can check out our website, ranchodlaw.com or j1visawaiver.net to learn more. All right, I'll talk to you next week. Thank you for tuning in to Top Talent in Immigration. Thanks, and have an amazing day.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to click to subscribe, check us out on the web, and we will see you next time.